Appata, appata, pata, appata, pata. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Girl, I'm in love with you.
Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon. Past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. It seems like we argue every day. I know
No,
I've
you behave,
misbehaved.
you
You
for.
made your
Alright,
mistake.
let's go here.
We
I'm using
both
standard
got
deviations.
room left to grow. And though love
Basically,
sometimes hurts, I still put you first. And
bro,
don't make
standard
me say
deviations
the
have been
word, but I think we
been
should
lit. I'm
take
not gonna lie.
it slow.
We're
We're
just
just
ordinary
ordinary
people.
people.
Alright, let's see.
We
Um,
don't know which way to
hold up.
go.
I need to warm up.
'Cause we're
We're ordinary
ordinary
people.
people. Maybe we should take it slow.
Take it slow.
Oh,
Whoa.
oh.
This
This
time
time
take
take
it
it
slow.
slow. Take it
Slow.
slow. Oh. This time we'll take it slow. This ain't a movie, no fairy tale conclusion, y'all. It gets more confusing every day. Uh, Sometimes it's heaven sent, then we head back to hell again. We kiss, then we make up on the way. I hang up, you call, we rise and we fall, and we feel like just walking away. As our love advances, we take
Oh my gosh.
chances, though it's not a fantasy. I still want you to stay.
We're
We're just
just
ordinary
ordinary people.
people. We don't know which way to go. 'Cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow.
Alright, let's actually chill. Let's actually chill. Let's actually chill. Hold up. I was killing it yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. Hold up. Alright, go on the day. DXY. DXY is showing kind of a mixture right now. We have this big bearish candle here, but it hasn't closed yet. So, so at the same time, let me see. To get my bias, I'm kind of looking at DXY right now. It looks a bit more cleaner anyways. Know which way it goes. I'm looking for potential longs on DXY. So it's like I want to see these deviations get respected here. Oh, is it too loud? Oh shit. No, cause honestly, I was back testing this shit and I was hitting. Low key, I was hitting. This deviation should get respected here. Like I wouldn't mind taking like 5 cons here. Or 10-point stop. See, like tapping this deviation here. 10-point stop. We've been up pretty nicely. Hold up, let's show. But my bias going to the day. Looking here on DXY. DXY is pretty bullish right now as we speak. And I'm only seeing that right now because this current candle hasn't closed just yet. We're still in this 4 hour still has bullish order flow. And this hasn't closed yet. So I'm looking for like, so on DXY, I would like to see longs. And here, I would like to see shorts. But I would only long at this -4 standard deviation level, right? I'm not going to long just yet. I would like to keep going for shorts until here. Until this area. So I want to keep looking for shorts here. You standard deviation, but if it works, it works. No, the thing is, bro, like, I'm using DXY. I was like, for some reason, something just clicked in my head. I'm like, oh shit. If NQ is so choppy, just go on DXY, look at the order flow, and then do the opposite of what DXY is doing. So the order flow right now, sure, the H1 is bearish, right? But the H4 is still bullish. This candle hasn't closed yet. So I'm not even sure, like, who knows? We can open it up the next candle and completely fill this gap, the whole thing right here. Go on the daily, it's bullish order flow. Weekly has bullish order flow also, right? So on the 4 hour, I'm anticipating this bearish for value up to get ran through anyways. So daily bullish order flow, 4 hour, right now bullish order flow, weekly order flow bullish. So on NQ, I'm looking for shorts. I'm only bullish until we tap -4 standard deviation, aligning PD array. We have all these low resistance liquidity here. So let's take our time tonight, girl. See how we're kind of like rejecting off these standard deviation levels here? Thing is, like, I don't ever know which one to choose, right? That's why I'm using on like -2. I would have got stopped out if I enter my long position here, but it's still It's still working, right? The chandelier, we're dancing on alone. Wait, Zero, don't you trade standard deviations with soap in them? No, it's not cooked, bro. Watch. So baby, let's just turn to the light and close the door. Oh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. I have a video. I don't know where the video is. I have a video of Soap's standard deviation level, but like he draws his standard deviation levels like so different, a bit off-putting. Take it off for me, for me, for me, for me, little girl. Let's see. It's left to right from the breaker structure. It's more accurate. Left to right. Yeah, no. I don't like drawing from left to right. So left to right, like this right here. Or left to right. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Oh my gosh. Or just like, what do you mean left to right? I want to look for buys around this area. Left from the top to the bottom right. Oh, left from the top. So like, so for example, for this day here, on the 15-minute, I'm anticipating it, right? This right here. I would have got ran through. These deviations wouldn't have worked. thing is, if we're bearish, this is standard deviation, bro. Yeah, no, it looks like this isn't respecting, and it's probably expanding, right? So, let's see. Thing is, like, there's so many ways to draw the standard deviation. Oh, is my mic volume like low? Is my mic low? I don't know what happened to it, to be honest with you. But you have the other standard deviations. What do you mean the other standard deviations? Like I said, I'm still bearish. Like I said, I'm hard time frame. I'm still bearish, right? I want to look for shorts, but I want to be looking for longs around like this -4 standard deviation, right? Which aligns kind of good with these lows. We have a rejection block here. We have a rejection block here, and like resting liquidity down here, right? So I wouldn't mind just slapping a fucking long here with like a 10-point stop. Call me DJin, but this should work. You fell off, bro. No, it was just like I took a little break, and I was like practicing a lot. I'm trading the Nasdaq. Like going here, like H4 in the bullet, H4 on DXY. It looks bearish. So I'm looking for longs on NQ. So I'm looking for longs on NQ. So then I'll just draw my standard deviations from. Like I want it to make sense from like the top of the range. Hold up. Wrong thing. Worst case scenario, ChatGPT pulls up. Bias. I want to see I want to keep seeing shorts, but I'll be looking for longs at the -4 standard deviation levels. I'm on the wrong chart. I need to know now, can you love me again? Hold up, I want to see if this would work. You have a big ass area here. Hold up, I just want to try something. I mean, it would have played out for like a little bit. I still want to look for shorts here. Yeah, no, we came down to get this low again. I got this shit. All right, I'm not just gonna blindly enter. I'm gonna wait for like obviously confirmations. Yeah, no, I was chilling. All right. So like I said, my bias right now, I want to see potential. Let's see. H4 is bullish right now, but this candle hasn't closed yet, so I'm not. Trend could change, honestly. So if we're looking for shorts here, we should be looking for longs here. So like if we come down to this -3, -4 standard deviation levels, create a rejection block off of that level with the SMT fair value gap, all this shit, I'll take it. Oh. Guys, have you guys ever gone golfing? I'm going golfing. I'm literally going golfing. I'm not a golfer at all. But I heard like a lot of rich people play golf. Like a lot of rich people. I need to know now. Know now. Can you love me again? Oh, where's the video? I'm on both. I'm on both. I'm on the eval and the funded. What was the thing that the guy sent me? "15-second CISD type shit. Type shit. Hold on, let me type this back in. I'm about to be spilling like secret sauce. Is there news? I have no idea. Oh, it's right here. I'm a fucking idiot. Oh, there we go. Like, here's like the stuff. Let's see. Wait, is it? This content is no longer available. Stop! Don't do that shit. I need that. Wait. This is hurt my brain. All right, let's lock the fuck in. It's time to lock the fuck in. Is there news? I have no idea. We have PMI. Yes. Okay, perfect. Now we are coming down to this level of area of distribution, right? So it looks like phases of prices. We accumulated expansion. We could accumulate in this area. I think it goes phases of price. Yeah, now longs don't look bad. Feel like falling down. So for 10 a.m. All right, perfect. I got you. Do anything about asking T4 a lot for help? Fair enough. Fair enough. If price taps the 862 level, CISD, I'm going longs type shit. Power 3 is it's easy to explain. Like it's just phases of price, right? So it's like this is A, price expanded, obviously. A, X, wait. Accumulation, manipulation. Maybe we could looking for longs. Now we're friends are back. Face to jail. Don't wanna carry me home. Get off the young lane. Get on desk. That. What the? I've never heard of dark sport. Wait. Oh, it looks fire though. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. The skull stuff is like not. I'm not feeling it, bro. To be honest with you. Like I'm not. I don't feel like the skull stuff is just for me, bro. Bro, buy the dip, bruv. Guys, my dad wants me to put like 5,000 to the S&P 500 because he wants to like do like long-term investing. And I'm like, no, I got you. Don't buy now. Because when he asked me to do it for him, like price was all the way up here. I'm like, no, don't worry, Dad. I got you. Listen, buy in the weekly fair value gap, in the discount, and just look for longs. So like, I'm gonna tell him when to buy. You know what I mean? I'm gonna tell him when to buy the S&P, whenever we're in a discount of weekly fair value gap. Carry me. Nah, bro. Alright, if price touches this area, I'm not gonna long. I'm gonna wait to see if we get like a rejection block or anything like that. Is it really debt if you just have like, if you're just long-term investing, putting the money in the bank, letting it do whatever? Tonight. Like, I'm just telling him to buy in the weekly fair value gap. It's not, bro. No, it's not his last 5K. If you know where price is going, why aren't you shorting? Because like I don't feel comfortable like just shorting here, or like just shorting at the very bottom of this of this range. Like I just don't feel comfortable because like I wouldn't know where to put my stops and stuff like that. I mean, this is technically a fair value area, but like at the same time, like I just don't know where. I just wouldn't know where to short. Gambling once in a while won't hurt. Just gamble this one, bro. I'm not gambling, bro. Or, bro. I mean, technically, it is just a probability game. You feel me? I guess like my probabilities are somewhat lower than everyone else's. Knowing your lug price would probably make the high of the century after you get your longs, perhaps, or before. Oh, that would suck. Oh my god, I put it in the chat. I meant to put it on the fucking charts. Are you Anika? Annika? Have you played Silent Hill 2 Remake Q? I have not. What the fuck is that? Someone anyway say fuck. I said that. I mean, honestly, this rejection block wouldn't be bad, to be honest. I'm just saying I can do better. Have you heard that lately? We do have a 4-hour rejection block here. Let me look at DXY real quick. I mean DXY, bro. I mean we expanded heavily. But this 4-hour candle hasn't closed yet. We won't close until like 2 hours, two more 4-hour candles, mate. Safe. But I wouldn't take this now. I am locked in. I need to stream with the hot girl, actually. Have you heard that lately? I'm just saying I could do better. All right, let's lock in low ninjas. Oh my god, my back is sore. Hold on, let me lock in real quick. Bullish. I'm looking for shorts on NQ. I'm just saying I could do better. Anticipating that how to get taken out. Yep, exactly. You heard that lately. I'm just saying you could do better. Looks kind of Looks kind of I hope no one heard that. We have a big 5-minute fair rag up here. Actually, this doesn't look bad. I hope no one heard that. Let's just like swing this. I highly doubt we're gonna get tagged, but let's see. We have a big rejection block here. Okay, yeah, we don't get tagged, but unfortunate. Unfortunate. All right, I got this. Okay, boom. Okay, so we opened, come down to this area, right? Perfect. We're taking out all these low resistance liquidity that I've marked out. Now, we wait. How much make? I haven't touched anything yet. We kind of just opened up and we kind of just dumped again. We opened and we just dumped. So there's nothing much for me to do here. Like right here, we kind of just open and we dump. So right now I'm just waiting. Now we're tapping into like a good area of reversals, right? So I want to see a potential like 15-minute sweep with a 15-minute rejection block, enter off the rejection block, and then go higher prices. There's a lot of things we can do here, right? But right now we just wait because market opened up and we kind of just dumped. So there's no really trade here for me. So we just wait. Be picky. Sell the dip. Little ninja. I had the weed too hard. Straight from the heart. I reply like, yeah. It's weird because like DXY is going lower and so is ES. Or so is NQ. So it's like it doesn't make any sense because realistically if DXY is going lower, then the indexes should be going up, right? Because they do the opposite. But right now it's not looking like the opposite, to be honest with you. They're both kind of doing the same thing, so it's probably not ready yet. How the fuck I'm still up? Yeah, speak my language. It'll speak my language. It'll speak my. Yeah. How the fuck I'm still up? Right on the little list, baby. 7-day can on the list, baby. Relax, baby. This game is a fun game. I'm not gonna lie. The adrenaline rush in this game is crazy. Yeah. Right now we just wait. I'm looking for longs. And how the fuck I'm still low? Yeah. Speak my language. Speak my language. Speak my language. Yeah. How the fuck I'm still low? Yeah. Speak my language. Yeah. Speak my language. Yeah. Speak my language. No, I did not short. I'm looking for longs, low key. But no, I'm not gonna take it, right? I need to see a structure form. Take out this low, 4-hour low. 15-minute liquidity sweep. Drop down to the 1. Perfect. Do you have any SMT? Perfect. Now, if this would be a W rejection block in 10 minutes. This would be a W rejection block. This is going to be a valid and nice rejection block. And why do I say that? Why do you say that, Q? The only reason why that is we're in -3 standard deviation area, which is a good and high probability for reversals. Look at that. Perfect. Dropping down. High probability for reversals. We have SMT at the lows. We have fair value gaps. So once this candle closes, I'm entering longs, right? And plus we don't really have manipulation at these 15-minute highs or anything like that, right? So then going on DXY is technically we still have bullish order flow on the daily, the weekly, the 4-hour. So if we're bullish on DXY, then technically this should go lower also. But it looks like we might have like a big bearish gap here, changing the order flow on the H4. So right now, we just wait. But like I said, I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Let's see. No, I'm not trolling. I'm being serious. Like, all the confluences are aligning with me. I just gotta wait for 8 minutes, and then you just enter. 21. Can you do something for me? Can you fall some up yeah for me? Do something for me. Can you drop that pop snacks for me? 21. Like so, this is looking good. I like this. 10 a.m. power of 3. Manipulated this 4-hour low. Come back up. Inverse fair value gap. Fair value gap here, but I'm not gonna take it just yet. I'm not using this. I'm using rejection blocks and standard deviations. Thing is, like, I would have liked it a lot better if it came down to -4 standard deviation, but we probably have a cracking correlation between ES and Inky right now. Smack a imagine. I'll slap a with the ratchet. Call your uncle, don't call me. Let's choose how see what happens. Oh, you hoes, who y'all talking to? It's a Slaughter Gang CEO. Looking more. It's a hotel Wi-Fi. Gosh, I don't miss the hotel Wi-Fi at all, to be honest with you. Shit, a murder gang, shit, a Slaughter Gang, a murder, a sticks and stones, chrome on chrome, that's just what got me kissing through the phone. We got 6 minutes left. A. If she better see a PSD. PSD. Oh my gosh, 38 points? I would have to like de-risk like heavy. Probably do like 2 micros. Yeah, I'll probably have to run like 2 micros here. It's high risk. Yeah, and I'll probably do like 2 micros. Managing my risk correctly. Shot up to the 6. RP to 8. Let's see. If I'm on my stop loss here, let me calculate. How can I calculate my risk really quick? 836.25. Hold up. Take it from a vet. That's a rookie yet. 836.25. If I'm on my stops here, and then where's my stops at? Want to be 799.25. 799.25. 799.25. Alright, if I want to risk this amount. Oh wait. Bro, oh my god, risking is like so much hard to calculate. How do you guys calculate risk so fast? $836.25. Where's my entry going to? Or where's my stop loss? $799.25. Okay, let me see. How much do I need to? How much am I gonna be risking if I want to do like 2 to 3? All right, 3 micros. It looks like. Actually, let's do. It's gonna be 2 to 3 micros on this trade if I do take it. PB trading, inversion fair value gap. Thing is, like, if it's a bullish candle like this, most likely we're not gonna retrace back down to this range. I'll probably have to do like any young baby treat me like a OG. 879.75. And I'm too about it. Alright, I'm gonna risk one micro here, to be honest with you. I'm gonna risk one micro. Tap the unfilled 15-minute. That's funny as fuck. No, because like if it's a bullish candle, if it's a strong bullish candle like this, then we're probably not gonna tap constant curse from this area. We're probably gonna tap this and then just run. Like, we could just enter from this area. This is the 5-minute, so I'll probably just do like one micro here. Bro, I'm on. This is literally on a funded, bruv. Well, Rome 1 micro on 100K is the only reason because, bro, it's volatile as fuck, bro. It's volatility. Keybinds, you just go on your number pad on your keyboard and you just type. Bro, it's like 40 points. I'll be risking like 30 points. I'm not gonna risk that many. I passed 2 alpha accounts using your code, bro. My NGA, bro. My NGA, bro. Good shit. I'm trying to be like you, my boy. I've been losing. See, like longs here, like was like perfect, bro. Okay, if we can come back down. I don't think we're gonna come back down to constant curse from this wick at all. At all. We're probably just gonna tap and run. We have 1 minute left. Once this 15-minute closes, then we'll take it. $862, 798. Alright, actually, I'll risk 2 cons, actually. No, I'm gonna risk 1. Oh shit, wrong button. I meant to click the buy button. 860.75. $29. G5. Seaside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and it's still outside. Front line. Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, it sound like a fair trade to me. I just prefer futures, to be honest with you. Dude saw a bullish candle and said, "Oh, yeah, we're going." No. Listen, the reason why there's lots of confluences, right? I mean, look, standard deviation matches perfectly. Took out sell side. 15-minute SMT fair value gap. 10-hour power 3, most likely reversal. DXY potentially going to be bearish because look at this bearish candle here. Probably not gonna fill this whole thing. So yeah, that's why I'm looking for longs. I mean, according to theory, you still apply it with like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But like, look, I have a 15-minute rejection block plus a 5-minute rejection block, so I'm expecting this level to hold. Just holding 2R. Those settings for your fib, yeah. It's just this. There's nothing special, bro. Baby. Enter CE of the week. I'm gonna enter off of C, like just this, because like what I've been seeing is like if it's a bullish candle, that if the rejection block closes bullish, we're probably just gonna tap and go. We're probably gonna tap and go. That's why I kind of have it a little below this opening, and then the 5-minute is the opening of the rejection block. So I kind of have like the confluence is aligning. So we'll see. The D was down there. Move, by the way. What do you mean? I'm not. Bro. Thing is, like, bro, if you're predicting and anticipating, bro, it's different, obviously. But the point is, like, how am I predicting if like confluences are aligning? I guess I'm anticipating, sure. Nah, bro, trust. Sure, the move could be gone, right? If price comes back down to this rejection block, then I'll take it. This is just 1 micro. I can read anything. Man, you put a buy limit? Yes, I put a buy limit at this rejection block. What makes a valid rejection block? A valid rejection block to me is with SMT and a fair value gap nested inside of this rejection block. So right here, this rejection block is valid to me because we have SMT at these lows, a fair value gap nested inside. So therefore, I'm anticipating this rejection block to hold. And it closed bullish too. And listen, if it doesn't tap me, then it's fine. I only have 1 micro in here. We'll be chilling. If it taps your interest, because it's gonna head for the lows, perhaps. Baby. Rejection block should have equal lows, therefore you shouldn't. The thing is, we swept out equal lows, or we swept out these lows, all of these relative equal lows. We swept some sort of liquidity, 15-minute rejection. We shall see what happens here. Our engineered liquidity is here, bruv. To your left. We'll see. Plus, like, if we create a 15-minute bullish for value gap here also, and price comes back down, this would look good. This would look good too. No equal lows. No elos. The wick slightly above CE. What do you mean? Honestly, I have no idea what you're talking about. Low key. Low key. Let's see what happens. Black leather glove, no secret. Chucking this and checking this elite shit. Basically, I'm saying either way but the slide. Excuse me. I can give you satisfaction, and you know the trap where you're from. Hey, me, oh, I can dance like Michael Jackson. I can give you satisfaction, and you know we are here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up. And another one for the young bull. Let's see. Tootsie slide. Have you what is it? Liquidity sue 1 minute for entry? Perhaps. Have you gotten another payout? Not yet. Alright, I want to see price come back down to this rejection block. Just in case price just decides to like completely dump here. Black leather glove, no secret. Checking this elite shit. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide. Why do you set limit orders? I set limit orders because like I have a certain level that I want to see get tagged. Because at the time, like this right here was in like this 1 minute up didn't confirm my move. So this 15-minute confirmed my move, and then I'm like, okay, look, this looks good. I want to see price come back down to this area, discount area of this range. Black leather glove, no secret. Honestly, I could just let this play all day. And if we don't get tagged, we don't get tagged. It go right foot up. Let's see what happens here. Bro, how am I gambling on this rejection block? Listen, the reason why I'm entering off this rejection block is because dropping down, standard deviation lined up, anticipating this to be the manipulation, right? Swept out lows, dropped down to 15-minute, or dropped down to 1. This 15-minute rejection block is valid to me because we have SMT these lows, we have a nested fair value gap inside. DXY had this big dump, right? Anticipating to switch an order flow on DXY. And then if DXY is bearish, then therefore, more than likely, NQ is going to be bullish. So then I'm anticipating this rejection block to hold. It didn't sweep that low. It did sweep out this low, this 4-hour low to our left. This July 7th low, sure. But this could also be a rejection block. Go on the 15. We have a, let's see. You're right. Sure. This rejection block could hold. All this analysis to get instant clapped again. Perhaps. We shall see. But right now it's going up, so we just wait. It's only 9:26, bro. We're going to the golf. We're going to the range today, bro. I can't wait, honestly. I mean, we'll see. We have OTE of this range that are my area. My entry is like kind of near OTE range, anyways. Right now, currently. Okay, perfect. It's not gonna rain tomorrow. Perfect. Thank you, Josh Moe, for the rose, man. Thank you, brother. I'm gonna use that. You got it. You got it, girl. You. Yes, I do. I do see that we're generating sell side here. What is this, bro? Hey, girl, you got it. Bro, I fucking suck at golf, bro. You got it, girl. You got it. Play no games. Play no games. Fuck around and give you my last name. Let's see what happens, bro. You might not even get tagged. OTE of this range. Hold up, let me try. I mean, DXY is. Wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around and give you my last name. Alright, so I'm looking for shorts. You got it, girl, you got it. Oh, this is Thanksgiving. Hold up. Go on the H4, bear shorter flow, drop down to 15. I'm looking for shorts. Okay, so we type the standard deviation level, 4-hour gap. I'm only looking for longs because of this. Alright, SMT these lows looks like. This is my rejection block. Let's just see what happens here. Look at that fucking rejection block. Alright, we can move ourselves to break even here. Might get stopped at a break even, it looks like. Looks like, right? Why is it fucking frozen? It's eerie. Or my NQ isn't moving. Yeah, you got stopped out. But the whole point was rejection block, standard deviation. Sure. Bearish. Wait. So I'm looking for longs on NQ. Play no games, play no games. Fuck around and give you my last name. I'm bullish. Drop down to the H1. Freaky. I'm looking for longs, chat. Let's see. No, we're not coming back down to this area just yet. Freaky. No, I want to take that. Yeah, longs, you're played. Okay, fuck, I got it. Okay, yeah, nah. This is, nah, it's easy, bro. Alright. Let's see, are we gonna come back down? Probably not, honestly. Probably not gonna get filled, and that's completely fine. I don't care about trading today, honestly. I really don't care. Wow, this last month was low-key tough for the young bull. But the thing is, like, I've had this funded account for so long. That means I'm doing something correct. Managing risk. Hopefully I can manage risk and win also. Well, that's not. Oh, yeah, that's that nerd. Q, when did would you ever get to 7 meme coins? Absolutely not, bro. Absolutely not. I'm not trying to get wrecked again. Flamingo. When do you think you'll be a profitable trader? There's no time, honestly. There's no time. If we tap a 15-minute fair value gap creating SMT, I'll take that rejection block up, but right now I'll just wait. No more just a break even trade. That's just not an achievement. Eventually you'll crash and blow it. Nah. I think I am not worried about my psychology. I'm just worried about my actual chart reading, my actual trades, to be honest with you. Who knows? I could be incorrect, and I might crash out soon, or I might crash out, or I might not even crash out at all. But I feel like every trader does go through a crash out. You want to do, bro? Being a break even trader is a lot better than being a losing trader. I'm gonna want you, babe. Jordy, bro. I'm just saying it. I'm just saying it out loud, so like people like you would understand. Let me say, bro. I don't think I have a psychology problem, realistically speaking. I mean, I might have an ego problem, sure. But I think my psychology is not bad. It used to be pretty bad. It's not bad anymore. But I think I just have like a chart reading problem and understanding like what the market wants to do. And like that could be because of quote unquote less experience. Who knows? Ego is part of psychology, sure, but it's like I don't know how to explain it. Like my confidence is there, but it's like I don't know how to explain it. I am not in the trade. I'm waiting for price to come down to my limit order. I'm not in a trade. You have to pull a calculator to do 400 times 3. No, I only do that for the memes, bro. I only do that for the memes. And plus, like, it's so much easier, bro. I really don't got time to do all the math, bro. Just calculator, 400 times 3, whatever, boom, right there. Like, it's just like one of those things that it's just there, whatever. You should wait for more confirmation for entering. I feel like you enter off of feelings instead. No, it's more like I see something differently that you guys don't see. So it's like obviously it's not gonna always align and match together. Show a video of the range and swing. Yeah, no, I'm going to. Yeah. Why don't you go live on Discord? I just do it on here instead. I'm just built different, low ninja. Low ninja. These hoes ain't loyal. Oh, these hoes ain't loyal. Yeah. Let me see. What's good, Xa? We're trending up. Who knows? I could take a small scout of this flag. I could take a small scalp and just call it. Timothy with the 19 fucking roses, G. Thank you. Taking no balls. Bro, I'm not gonna take it just yet. If we break above here, I'll just short this. Nah, I'm not gonna short that. I'm not short. I'm gonna long. Actually, I'm not even gonna take it. Cause like, there's no like area. If I just do this, where's my stop loss? Like, you know what I mean? Where's my stop loss? It's not there. Side to side, side to side. Back to life, back to life. Hands up. Risking 1 micro on your liver. Never give it. Bro, listen. I want my stop loss to be all the way down here, right? So why the fuck am I going to risk more than 1 micro on a 63-point stop loss? Absolutely not. I never seen an unprofitable trader this happy. It's because, bro, I have nothing. Like, yeah, sure, I'm unprofitable, but like, life is going good. Like, I can't complain. Like, why would I can't, like, there's no point of complaining. Like, G. Yeah, no, I'm just, sure, yeah, no, it's just been very volatile. Like, it's just been very super volatile. Like, I don't know. Volatile as fuck. Of course, I've been de-risking, bro. It's volatile, bro. Hands up. Alright, if we tap this fair value gap here, and then like reject off of it, creating SMT fair value gap, all this shit, I'll look for the rejection block from here instead of down here, because it's the most recent. Nah, it's I checked, right? If I was to do like, it's like $300. It's like if I was to enter here. It's 250 risk. But like I want to risk like $200 per trade. That's why I'm like not that's why I want to risk around $200 per trade. That's like risking 250. So I'm like, "Oh, fuck." Like I'm kind of breaking my rules, but it's like not much if I'm going to take 1 trade per day. Perhaps I could risk a little bit more, maybe. Bro, it's just volatile as fuck. I like this is just an idea. All right, fuck it, bro. I'll just do fuck it. All right, you guys convinced me, bro. You guys convinced me, bro. The D just got us falling in love. Falling in love. A6150. Like it's the last night of our life. Life come get you right. The day just got us falling in love again. 9950. Yeah, 250 is like we shall see. We shall see. Damn. This is a strong draw for me still. We shall see. I'm hurting, baby. I'm up and down. I need your loving, loving. I need it now. You made $300 on the fund, bro. Like, get shit, bro. Honestly, I'm trying to be like you. $300 on the funded. And it's gotta be when you're away. Oh, baby. Plus, my entry's at OTE. Or at around OTE. Sugar! Yes, me! If we can create a 15-minute fair value gap here, I would like it a lot more, honestly. In the next minute. No, the thing is, like, it doesn't have to come down here. If it comes down here, then sure, I'll take it. But this is one of my first entries, right? If we create a 15-minute fair value gap here and create a like a rejection block off this fair value gap here, I'll take it. Oh, baby. Why are you long 15-minute fair value with no inversion of CID first? Because it's order flow. Changing like order flow. I'm right here. 'Cause I need the love that is support me. Fuck. Fuck. Sugar. I want the sugar sweet. A sugar. Bro, can we like, oh my gosh. Right here. 'Cause I need. Let's see. There's no change in order flow as of right now. Prices simply rebalancing inefficiencies. Perhaps. No, cause like you want to use. I guess like you want to use like current order flow legs, right? Current order flow legs. Like yes, we have bearish order flow legs here, but DXY. Oh, let me see. DXY is going to be like it's gonna have a bearish order flow leg. Let's be real. Right, so therefore I'm looking for potential longs off this level. Yes, B, yes, B, yes, B. I want the shoes me. Don't touch it unless it's somebody's me. I gotta be a man. There's a girl. Perhaps it could be like yesterday's, right? People like this kid don't really have a place in society. That's why he's an internet beggar. Perhaps. Is Alpha Futures max contract on 50k 5 minis after passing eval? I'm not on a 50k, so I have no idea, to be honest with you. As an ICT trader myself, I don't see any confirmations for you to go along with XCSA inversion. Go on like on the 5 minute or go on the like. Sure, I see where you're coming from, of course, but like we have a shift in order flow. Like we're creating bullish imbalances, and we're kind of inversing these bearish imbalances here, right? So it's like that's what I mean, like a shift in order flow switch, you know. Yeah, you have to use code Q for Alpha Futures, bro. Trust. And then I'm gonna use it, and then I'm going to buy myself plane ticket to Indonesia. I'm gonna feed the homeless. Actually, no, I'm scared to go to Indonesia. I'm scared to go to Indonesia. Actually, never mind. We get even. I want to go back to Thailand in like July. Maybe shame on our Indonesia brothers for allowing punks like this into our country, bro. Perhaps. Perhaps. Come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My hairline? Bro, my hairline's not cooked, bro. It's not cooked. Everyone thinks it's cooked, bro. I need a fade. Bro, I'm not cooked, bro. Chill. Alright, personally, I think we are in this fair value gap, right? Drop it down to the 1. If we can create like a 1 minute imbalance here, a 1 minute imbalance, SMT at the lows, which we don't have, then I'll take this rejection block. But if we don't have that, then I'm not going to take it. Yeah. Are you up today? I haven't taken a trade yet. I got to stretch though, I'm not going to lie. I took a light I took a light yesterday for leg day, to be honest with you. Fuck, I gotta stretch. I just had to stretch my legs, bro. Baby, I'm barely alive. Baby. Bro, I'm like, dude, I lost so much weight, low key. Like, I don't know if the gym at the I don't know if the scale at the gym is wrong, but it says I'm like 207, and I started cutting out like 215. It's only been like what 2 weeks, like low key. Yeah. Down to my dollars. Like I'm cutting. Like I'm like that could be water weight. That could be water weight. But it's like I'm eating a calorie deficit. I'm doing cardio kind of every day. Like bro. No, because like I don't know if it's it could be just water weight. I don't know. They be right here because every time you fall, you play with your guitar. Yeah, I have a feeling who this is. Honestly, low key. I got you, bro. Should I call it? No, just go to work, bro. Trust. Like, I have to go to work. Well, like, I think I might work at McDonald's just for the memes. I think I might work at McDonald's just for the fucking memes, bro. Yeah. Baby, it's 6:45. Baby, I'm barely alive. Baby, you're taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Yeah, no, dude. Without sleep, bro, you just feel like complete shit. But like last night or yesterday, like I didn't go to bed until like 2 a.m. I didn't stream yesterday because I was like, bro, time flies by so fast. $23 an hour is good, bro. That's really good. It's better than most people. Better than me. Better than mine. My job is DoorDash. See me doing wah. See me doing wah da. Actually, no. I'm gonna listen to this song. Let's see if this is going to be a high probability rejection block. I wouldn't take this rejection block even if Price offered it to me. Nah, bro. According to Lab, bro, the trend is still bullish, bro. Watch. I just wanna thank you, yeah. Bro. Let's see. Oh, is he short right now? My man. Moon. What y'all trying to do? Pop this shoulder. Guess who's back again? Wait, where does Lav stream at? Lav. My NGA Lav. Oh, for real? I'm a dangerous man in my pocket. Keep up. I mean, sure, he probably could have taken this like 1-to-1. Sure, yeah. Perhaps. Mike Lavoie. Yeah, that's him, yeah. What you trying to do? can I teach? Oh! Alright, let's lock in, bro. I want to see this limit order get filled here. Bro, I was gonna say I want like a McDouble, a double cheeseburger, like fuck. Let's see. 24 karat magic in the. Let's see. Yeah, I'm anticipating this fair value gap here. Or this low. What y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Nah, like longs look good here. What do you think about the Pepperstone broker? I've heard of it, but I just don't. I don't know. I haven't done much with it, so I have no idea. I can't give you an opinion, to be honest with you. Pepperstone. I did not trade XAU. What do you think is the best way to make it out? Be different. Best way to make it out is be different. Trust me, just be different, bro. Say the N word and you'll make it. Q any trades today? Not yet. No trades yet. I'm looking for this long. I'm on a combine and a XFA. Create a course to make people pay. Perhaps that could be the case. You could do that, but I would just say, like, just be different. Let's hit your limit so I can TP on the shorts, bro. Don't believe me, just watch. Bro, I'm learning to bottom tick. Hopefully. What are you taking this off of? What am I taking this off of? Real quick before we get tagged. Standard deviation level. Tab negative 3.5 standard deviation. Swept at a 4-hour low. 15-minute rejection block. We have SMT. Fair value gap inside this rejection block. Go on DXY. DXY is obviously going the 4-hour. We're probably going to we're breaking all these lows. We get a change in state of delivery. DXY is bearish, so I'm anticipating NQ to be bullish. Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Uptown, funk you up. you up. Uptown funk you up. Damn, shit own it, and I know it. Like I wake up to my phone with 0 notifications, bro. 0 notifications, bro. 0 notifications, bro. 0 every time. Don't believe me, just watch. Rawr. Don't believe me, just watch. Why not answer in the middle? I could, but like, since this is a bullish rejection block, and it closed pretty bullishly, we're most likely just gonna tap this and then go. And who knows? We could come down to this area. And plus, look at this hourly rejection block here also with the 5-minute fair value gap inside. Yeah, 5-minute fair value gap here. Order block. This looks decent. Like hourly. Okay, so if you go here, this is an hourly CRT, right? Dropped on the 5-minute. 5-minute fair value gaps. So we just wait. Saturday night, we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. I'm not penetrating wicks. Okay, we have a crack in correlation though. I'm not gonna lie, a crack in correlation because like ES tapped this rejection block, but NQ did it. So it's like kind of iffy right now. We tap equilibrium of this range. How am I penetrating wicks, bro? How am I penetrating wicks if like there's confluences to the wick? The thing is, like, if I entered here, then like my stop loss is all the way down here. Then the RR is all cooked. Y2. I would do 1 mini, but then the risk is very high. It's like 62 points. So I decided to just do 2 micros, so I can risk the same amount if I were to do like 10 points on the mini. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I. Alright, actually. There's no SMT at this rejection block. Like right here, we're still in this 15-minute fair value gap, right? I wouldn't mind taking this rejection block entry here because we're in a fair value gap rejection block, sure. But at the same time, there's no SMT at the lows here. So it's like I don't want to enter off this rejection block. If we do create it, right? But this is hypothetical. If not, then I don't take this rejection block. I would wait for price to come back down to this area. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to. What is a rejection block? A rejection block is just like a quote-unquote long wick. I'm thirsty. A rejection block is basically just a like a long wick with PD rate inside of that wick, and you just enter off constant encroachment or the wick, or the opening price. So baby, stay. Oh, what? I'll be fucked up if you get me right here. I think I told you that I never would have told you why. I'll stop trading around like 12. If his illusion is as big as drinking that big water bottle, it's not gonna make it, bro. I only drink this big of a water bottle because it's a gallon, right? I drink a gallon of water every single day, so it's like I just want to like get it all in one jug and then just drink all of it. Like I don't have time to drink 8 fucking water bottles, bro. Like, bro, it's just like, bro. And plastic is like not it for me. I don't want to get the microplastics. Let's see. Can we get filled? It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something down to do. And look at that. We have SSMT here also. SSMT here also, which is a good confluence, right? Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing cues? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. You eat McDonald's and you worry about plastics, bro. I don't even eat McDonald's, bro. I literally eat home cooked foods, or I buy frozen foods and I just put it in the air fryer. To be honest with you, but I eat in a calorie deficit with good protein. Maybe like I don't reach like 100. I don't reach my weight protein, but I reach like a high 150s or like a high 140s. Cap, bro. Bro, cap fucking where? Cap where? Cap where? Hold up. Cap fucking where, my G? Oh my. Wow. No, my lats are not it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. My lats are not it. My lats do. Honestly, my back has always been like the worst part genetic. Like, bro, I don't. It's probably because I don't know how to do a lat spread, bro. My lat spread is like terrible. Like, now I have to clean my. Oh, brother. Oh, brother, you have to clean your screen again. D-blow? No, the thing is, I just got done drinking coffee, so it's like. It's probably the lighting too. Like, bro, it's a work in progress. I'm gonna cut. I'm on a serious cut, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Bro lost 7 pounds and you think he's 155 shredded. Bro, no, it's because like I just I still feel fat, but it's like, bro, I'm trying to cut down. Get a bra, bro. I don't want to get a D-size bra. I think I want to marry you. Can we get this? Hey, baby. I think I want to marry you.
Anybody speak Japanese? 何が目的だ?
何が目的か?
我々はあなたを傷つけるつもりはない.
You feel fat because you are. Oh. Perhaps I am. Perhaps. I knew somewhere out there, somewhere far away. Oh yeah, SSMT is like basically sequential SMT. It's basically like I don't really use it, but when I see it, just it's just more confluence for me. It's basically whenever price. See how like if you look at ES and NQ, see how like when in or M and Q, opens, the next candle opens, it opens like a gap below, right? It opens like a gap below, like this. So this is the close. Price opens like a gap below, right? But if you go on like ES or something, same candles, see how there's no gap? That's what we like. That's what the cool kids like to call SSMT, right? And it just gives me more confidence when I see that shit. And like, I would like for price to tap this SSMT here, but it looks like we're probably just pushing up here. Wait, is it not? That's what SMT is, right? SSMT, sequential SMT. Wait. What's it called then? What's it called? Bro, I swear I heard that from somewhere. SSMT is when SMT is in the highest high low sort of 2 quarters. Oh yeah. So it's like, yeah. So it's like, oh yeah, okay, yeah, quarters, yeah. Yes, this is SSMT, but like, the quarters don't need to be different. The quarters need to be different. Yeah, that's what I forgot. The quarters need to be different. Talking to me too, or am I a fool? Yeah. The context is here, or not the context. I guess the pattern is here, but it's in the same quarter. Not some random opening gap. Like Q, follow the trend. Right, the next order flow leg is bullish. Cause every night I'm talking to the moon. Let's see. Like thing is, like, yes, we are breaking, but it's like the next order flow leg is bullish. Order flow leg is bullish. No, I didn't take this trade. I'm waiting. I have my limits here. Like, order flow. And the only reason why I'm longing is because, like, if you go on DXY is bearish as fuck. Order flow here on the DXY is bearish. So I'm anticipating this to be bullish. Yes, Arjo, yes. Do you ever hear me calling? Oh, my dad wants to get a sports car, bro. My dad is like so eager to like getting a sports car. Because I only care about DXY because InQ does the because sometimes like it'll be very hard to read the InQ chart for me for some reason. Like it'll just be like very hard to read. So then I'll go on DXY to see a better picture and a clearer picture, and it obviously looks pretty clear. I mean, sure, yeah. I mean, so does InQ right now, right? I can't explain it. When did you start watching Arjo? I've been watching for a little bit. His videos, it takes forever. Like low key, it takes for him a while. It takes a while for him to get to the point. But I watched one of his. Oh shit, this is a gym for me. I don't use quarterly theory, or I do, not really. I see it, but I just don't. I'm not. It's different now. Cause like right now, 15-minute is bearish, right? But like when I'm back testing, bro, like right here, we're breaking lows. Like 15-minute, like for example, right here, yes, it's clear bearish, but it's like go here on 15-minute on like FX replay. Oh, we're bearish here, and then we shift bullish. and then we'll take out this high, and it's just like a lot, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But it's like if you go on the hourly too, we have an hourly CRT here also. So we could anticipate this area of draw. But at the same time, we tap standard deviation levels, -3.5. We're reacting. We are reacting off of this level. DXY is also bearish, so that's why I'm even taking this entry. I do like 1 to 2s. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. If you watch Archer for real, then you should know that this order flow is low probably because of the third candle. Oh, like see how like this third candle here, we don't break above, we kind of sweep. Bro, because like we're not just gonna keep dumping forever. We're gonna retrace somehow. You play the retracement. Wait. Bro, it's like hold on, no. We'll see what happens here. Watch. On you like 4, 3, 2, I'll be there. Like right here, go on the hour, go on DXY. I'm gonna wait to get filled here. Okay, bearish order flow on DXY, so I'm looking for longs here. This is the highest point. Yeah, I wouldn't mind taking this area for longs actually. No, this is a solid rejection block. I want to see price reject off of. And if we don't tag it, then you don't tag it. It's fine. But I'll have like a limit order here at this rejection block for spreads. Oh my gosh. See? Bullish. Sure. The trend is bearish. Sure. But like, it went bullish. Let's see. Like, we don't just get entry here, bro. Like, it's just one of those things, like, I see things, like, completely, like, different. The trend was unclear. I mean, dude, like, we were breaking lows. Like, breaking lows here. Lows here, bro. Like, it's just like... Sheesh. Let's see if we get filled here. Like, go here. Trend here. Trend on on DXY is bullish, so I'm looking for shorts here. I'm looking for shorts. Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. I'm not taking that, bro. Fuck, I wasn't gonna take this rejection block, bro. But there was SMT. See, like shorts. Sure, the trend was bullish, but we just completely dumped. Like, it's just like one of those things, like I see, like standard deviations projecting, helping me project price. And we just completely dumped for the next day. The current day. Let's see if we can come back down. If purpose was just searching for me, just stay the same. You know I'll say. Let's see. Any checking entries today? I'm waiting for my price to get entered here, and then I'll take this entry. 15-minute rejection block, 5-minute rejection block. So, hourly CRT, like all the shit that I've learned, it's like aligning with this. Excuse me. Let's see what happens here. Distance for a while. Sky, you're amazing. Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Let's see. Can we come down to this area? I like how we're slow and stagnant here, though. We're kind of accumulating here. We're gonna manipulate here, and then we're gonna go higher. Watch. Hopefully, that's the plan. My plan is to make it rich trading in business and against UFC. Yeah, dude, that's lit, bro. My friend wants to do the same thing, but not the UFC. He wants to do like Muay Thai. Like he wants to get a fight. He wants to get a fight in Muay Thai. So I mean, UFC and the Muay Thai is kind of like the same thing, kind of. What makes this random wick a valid rejection blow, right? What makes it valid? Great question. Liquidity swept. High time frame liquidity swept. Liquidity sweep, whatever, regardless. Drop it down to the 15, right? We have SMT divergence. And we also have a fair value gap nested inside of this wick. Right? Nested inside this wick. Usually I want to enter off the consequent encroachment, but since this is a bullish candle that closed bullish, I'm anticipating price to come down quickly, tap, and then go. But I was like, oh, the risk is kind of high, right? Risk is like 60, 80 points. And I was like, okay, you know what? Going on 5-minute, we have a nice rejection block here also on the 5-minute, right? Right, lines perfectly up nicely. So this is kind of like my medium area of the 5-minute and the 15-minute rejection block. UFC and Muay Thai, I mean, yeah, they're different, but like, they're. What I meant by the same was like, oh, they just kick, they can and fight, but just no wrestling, I guess, yeah. Oh, my screen was messed up the whole time. I don't predict, I'm reacting. Yes, I'm reacting, right? reacting off this area, and then I'm anticipating this area to hold. I made $0 profit. Just know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save. I have to change this. Bro, the shirt has to go, bro. Wait, what? What? Bro, my brother got in like a hit. My brother was driving and someone hit him. And then pretty much what happened was they hit him and I took it to the shop because my brother was working. And basically they're quoting us $5,000. $5,000 to do the front struts shock. Whatever the fuck that is. Rear struts shock. Suspension ball joint upper. Suspension ball joint lower. Steering center drag link is $700. Alignment is $120. Mount and install and balance 4 tires is $1,700. What the fuck? Oh, we are not. What? That is absolutely bonkers. Yeah, nah, fuck that. Yeah, no, nah. I know yeah, that was a shop. We're taking it somewhere else, bro. Wow, that's fucking ridiculous. Like that, like, bro. I like how we're very slow and stagnant here. Have you done traded? I'm still waiting for this limit order to get tagged. For me. If this limit doesn't hit by the time 12 o'clock hits, I'll probably just get off and delete the limit orders. Because the average daily range has already been expanded. Like, we're probably just going to consolidate. Let's see. Been mine. I whispered underneath. Stronger than anything I know. Let's see. That's facts. When you back to see, you don't acknowledge the losses. You just feel them. Keep moving forward. Just ship more PLA codes. Me and the homie Cream will fix it for you. Looking at how I took 200 ES tick trade and watching Ku struggle to find the simplest form of basic price actually makes me want to rip my hair out of my. Oh well. You can get one. You can get 1 in 5 losses and be happy for some reason, but it should be the other way around. That's true. Ku don't want to learn. He'd rather stay unprofitable and catch tops and there, but still lose money in the long run rather than just keep it simple. Yep. The product and the results of trading, just trading without understanding first. Bro, delete this trade, please. You're big. Instantly. We'll see. In your eyes, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. So beautiful. Explain my setup. Alright, setup. Hourly, standard deviation, projecting price. We tapped max expansion areas. We swept out 4-hour liquidity. We have SMT at the lows. Hourly CRT, which I don't really use, but it's a good confluence, sure. Dropping down. I'm entering off this 15-minute wick because we set the liquidity. Bullish candle. We have a fair value up nested inside this fair value up, so so it's valid to me. Go on DXY. DXY is bearish, so therefore I'm wanting to see NQ go bullish. I don't deserve this. I think DXY correlates with GC better. Maybe, because I've always heard DXY to the indexes. No, hey brothers, we're here to help. But you can't help someone who don't want to admit they need help. Of course, I completely understand. Like, I'm just trying to put the concepts together. That's all that is. Do you look at Dow Jones? I do not look at Dow Jones or YM, because like every time I look at it, it's always like somewhere, low key. It's always somewhere. Let's see if this hits. I like how we're slow here, honestly. Sure. Generating south side liquidity. And plus my entry is at OTE of this range also. So OTE would be nice here. Now I realize you're the only one. Some new meme coins, bro. Bro, did you guys see the whole like FaZe Banks and Aiden Ross like situation of how like they rugged, or Banks rugged the MLG coin? Shit was crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I did get into MLG, but I sold early before that even happened, to be honest with you. I got like $5 of MLG, to be honest. Like I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I'm in love. Q, I found a worse trader than you. Wait, who is it? When I got to me once, it was popping. No, facts, bro. It was like popping like maybe a year ago. Now Loki kind of died. I watched him. Oh, so it's a guy trader. Who is it? A worse trader than me is improbable. Yeah, perhaps. I think I don't know. I saw it and I was like, oh shit, that's crazy. So like Longs is working out here, and that's completely fine. We don't get filled. It's completely fine. Sure, but we just wait. I don't know how it ends, girl, but I fell in love with my best friend. But you were my baby. It's 11, 12, 1. Wait. 12, 1. Oh, wait. I got some wallet addresses I follow for early Minklin shit. Oh, yeah. No, I used to do that too, bro. Like, I would, oh, hold up. Hello? Hello?
Hey, Koo, this is Tyler over at Same Day. Did you get that inspection I sent over to you?
Let me check. Yes, I did.
So, yeah, there's quite a bit of suspension work that needs done before we can align the vehicle.
Yeah, it looks pretty expensive if you ask me. I see. It's the 5,000 one, right?
Yeah, so give me 1
I see. Wow. I did not expect it to be that much, to be honest with you.
Yeah, a lot of that is actually tires. About 2,000 of that estimate is tires. The tires aren't completely bald, but they are worn down. It will need tires soon. But to do the suspension work that it absolutely needs in order to be able to align it, okay, it would be both upper and lower ball joints on both sides. That steering center, that drag link, and then the alignment, of course. 210208 is what we would have you at.
I see.
Yep. The struts and shocks are being recommended because they are old, they are leaking, but it doesn't have anything to do with the alignment. It's just more rideability. And then the tires are about 2,000 of that, and they're just starting to be worn down. But it's not something that absolutely has to be done today either.
I got you. Yeah, no, I'll give it a look. I'll have to talk to my parents about this. I highly doubt that they'll take it, but if we don't end up doing it, can I just come in and grab the keys?
Yeah, all we have today is a free inspection.
All right, I got you. Yeah, no worries, man. Thank you. I'll let them know. Yeah, we're not fucking doing that shit. The fuck? Why bro? It's idiotic for us to do it, bro. I'll show you guys really quick, bro. Might as well. Okay, I'll just get rid of this order. See, look, longs worked. All right, fuck your shorts. Longs worked, but I'm getting rid of my orders. Like, bro, everyone was on my booty, bro. Auto sir. Let's see. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. How was I able to see it earlier? Bro, that's fucking crazy. $5,000 to fix this fucking Jeep? No, thank you, bruv. No, thank you, bruv. Alright, I'm probably gonna end the stream here. Nah, bro. I have everything was aligning here. I'm not mad about this. It's fine. I really don't care. It's all good. Bounce back. All right, we'll do one FX replay. One FX replay. Watch. Drop down. Watch. We'll do one FX replay, and then I got to dip. All right. Bullish order flow. Okay, look. So bullish order flow on DXY, right? DXY, bullish order flow. Bullish order flow on DXY. Dropping down to NQ. If DXY is bullish order flow, then we're 15 minute. Then we're bearish. Right? We're bearish. Right? So I drag the top of the wick, the highest point of the wick where we're at, from the high to the low. Right? If I'm bullish order flow. Wait. If DXY is bullish, then I want to be looking for. Wait, hold up. If DXY is bullish, then I want to be looking for shorts. Right? Shorts until this area of a standard deviation. So I'm looking for shorts. Okay, so we don't. Okay, so obviously look at that. Shorts played out here, right? Perfect, right? I don't even need to analyze this shit, right? So we're typing -3 standard deviation, right? You could just entry here. Look at that, entry here, right? But I'm not a degen right now, right? So I want to see buy side. Look, I want to see sell side liquidity get taken out. Oh, look at that. We have a rejection block here. Perfect. Now, I'll go on ES. Oh, do we have SMT divergence at these lows? No, we don't. So, I'm anticipating this low to get taken out. I'm not entering off this rejection block. Look at that. Rejection block. Perfect, right? Look at that. We took out these 4-hour lows. Perfect, bro. Perfect. 4-hour lows taken out. We have SMT at these lows. Is this a valid rejection block? Yes. If this candle closes, perfect. I will take this rejection block, right? Rejection block. Perfect. Oh, you're longing in a downtrend. Sure, perhaps, right? Boom. Entries here. Target 2R. Don't fucking fail me now. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm getting off. All right. GG's. All right, I'm going to work on it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.